I sure hope my Bluetooth is working. Anyway, we're repotting this little one today. Little one, I don't think so. But look, it's outgrown its little home. So, we have it a little soaked, and we have its new home awaiting for it. So, into the bathroom we go. Always taking you to the bathroom with me. How I edit this will be interesting. But, and if I keep kicking the camera, it'll be even more interesting. This is how big this sucker is. I'm trying to get you a better picture here. So, basically, let me see if I can bring you up just a tad. Yeah, that's working out great. That's what we're gonna do. So, I've already got it a nice little base going. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna end up filming, but we're going to take it out of there and put it in its new home. Hopefully incognito. Ugh. Sorry about that. As you can see, its root system, it had quite a root system on it. I'm not going to disrupt it too much. Ugh. Was that brutal? Okay, now give me a little time to get this cleaned up, and I'll show you the finished product. I have no idea how this is going to come out. This here is my handy dandy hydrogen peroxide water, which we're going to pour in to help it with oxygen to its roots and some more hydration. I don't know how much of this is going to make it into the video, because obviously I'm going to go ahead and run the shower a little bit. Well, just to give it a nice cleaning and to clean my bathtub. But you should stand nice and tall. And that's how I transplant little trees and things. I'll show you him in his glory later when I do a update. But I think he just went into a 10-gallon bucket. I'm not too sure, but he's draining well. And that's all I have for you today. I now have another empty container, and I have more seed to sow. So this is just me trying to get my garden back in order. And a little out of breath here. You have yourselves a lovely evening, and I will as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Proof of life. I staked it a little bit. That's it. Goodbye for now. Gotta clean my tub.